Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of Old Dog Woofness. And today I'm just going to be saying what the ingredients are to make slime like this. This isn't as fluffy because I didn't add in the shaving cream. And yeah, the ingredients are borax substitute with a little bit of water in, I think. Air wick. You don't have to put shaving cream in if you want, but shaving cream makes it more fluffy. PVA glue, and that's it. I also want to give a shout out to the official potato because yeah, and Sarah Ighile because yeah. That's all, guys.